Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's excited about the event. We are getting so many queries about getting started with the hackathon and the platforms we use. So this video is to give you a brief overview about the hackathon process and the platform you are going to use. We'll help and guide you throughout the entire process, so there is nothing to worry about. Now I request Manjula Gandhi ma'am to take over to give the overview about the hackathon process.
Yeah, thank you, Sharon. IBM Quantum is organizing Qiskit Qualtrics events all over the world in 25 various universities and institutions. We are happy to share that Coimbatore Institute of Technology is also a part of this event. We at CIT are hosting the CIT Quantum Hackathon virtually, especially for CIT students to learn and explore quantum computing. Learn and hack with us through the event at the comfort of your home. The event is open to both beginners and advanced users. All projects built here should use IBM SkillsKit in some way. The main theme of our workshop is we are working on with quantum cryptography and machine learning contents. So we have sessions where we will guide you with starting from the fundamentals of Qiskit and exploring through quantum cryptography and then moving on to quantum machine learning. Thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, ma'am. We use the Discord server for all the queries, communication and announcements. So now I request Uttara to take over and elaborate more on Discord.
This is our Discord server. This is CIT Quantum Hackathon server where we share all the up-to-date announcement, links, session recordings and everything. So we have already shared the link to the Discord server and the Hive. If anyone hasn't joined yet, please do it at the earliest. So we will look into the channels available here so that you get a gist of what is here. So first we have the welcome part where there is code of conduct. We request you to read all the rules and regulations specified over here, and we believe that you will follow all the rules and regulations. Next is get started. So in get started we have the resources for you to start on Qiskit and quantum computing. So we have the Qiskit English textbook. It also has the Tamil version. So if anyone is not comfortable with English, so they can refer to the Tamil textbook as well. Next is we have the how to install Qiskit into your local machine with steps and how to log into IBM Quantum Experience. So please refer to these resources. It would be very helpful to you to get started in this hackathon. Next is the announcement channel where we will post the up-to-date announcements of the sessions, of the deadlines and everything. So keep an eye on this channel for you in this hackathon. Next is schedule. So schedule is, we have posted the overall schedule for the hackathon event. So you can refer to this anytime for your reference. So next is workshops part where in this we have links and recordings where we will post the Gmeet links of the sessions, and we also, those who aren't able to attend the events, they can refer to the recordings we will post in this. Next is resources and assets. So in resources and assets, we have the CIT Hackathon resources where we will post the resources required for you to refer and as helpful materials. And in share resources, if you have any resources related to Qiskit and related to the hackathon, you can freely share it over here so that it can be helpful to your peers. So next is the support. So in general support, you can have a general discussion, or if you have any queries or doubts, you can ask it over here or post it over here. So the mentors will be right here to help you with your doubts and queries. So next is the feedback channel. So in this feedback channel, you can post your feedbacks, any suggestions or opinions so that we can improve ourselves. So next is the voice channels where you can join to have a discussion with the mentors or your peers or to clarify your doubts and queries. So next we go into the members side. So first we have the members who are in green color. They are the instructors and Qiskit advocates who will be handling our sessions and who will be talking to you about Qiskit and quantum computing. Next is mentors who are in violet color. They will help you with your queries, doubts. So whatever any doubts or queries you can ask the mentors. So the participants are mentioned in the gray color. So you can refer to these things and make yourself comfortable with the Discord, so that every link session, everything will be posted here. So once again, I request you to join the Discord server if you haven't joined yet. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Uttara. Now I request Nandana to brief about the Hype, the platform you're going to use.
So hi all, let me just share the screen. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. So the link to register in Hype and to join the Discord server has been mailed to you. So if you haven't registered, please do register in the Hype platform, and this is the self-registration page. The entire event is gonna happen in Hype, so it would be very useful if it is actually mandatory if you register in to register in Hype Innovation. So this is the self-registration page where you can enter your name, mail ID that you're going to use. You can set up a password, and in which Fall Fest are you registering for? You have to choose Coimbatore Institute of Technology and enter the CAPTCHA and register now. So your registration will be successful. And then to use Hype further, you can use the login page. I'll show you a live demo how to use it. So you should log in with the registered mail ID and the password you have set up. So if you register, you'll see that the CIT Quantum Hackathon is here. So the campaign, our active campaign will be here. So you should just get into it, and this is the overview of the entire event. So here we can see all the information about this hackathon, all the posters or any information. The entire schedule is posted here, and if you have no idea where to start from, then there are some links which refers to the resources which you can read or to know where to start from. So these are some of the projects completed in the previous hackathons, and this is a video which gives an overview about the hackathon happened in Africa. So this is the criteria with which we are going to evaluate. So this is just since with the entire process is transparent, we have given you the entire evaluation criteria here. So the main rule is every project we submit here should use Qiskit in some way, and it should be built using an open source license so that it will be easy for us to evaluate. And the teams which you form cannot contain more than 5 members. So it's again a gentle reminder to join our Discord dedicated server. The link is also posted here to know about all announcements and updates. So the Qiskit textbooks links are also posted here in English and Tamil. Both textbooks are available here. So the additional resources are, this is the past Qiskit happened in MIT and Africa. So the project ideas or submissions, this link contains all of it. So here is the 1 minute Qiskit videos for reference, like it is like a DIY. So where you can quickly, instantly search for solutions in YouTube. This is an entire playlist of 1 minute Qiskit videos. So to have a hands-on Qiskit tutorials after every session, we'll have some lab sessions. So while working in labs, if you have any doubt, you can go through these two links. And code of conduct is also posted here. So anything if you find anything exceeding the code of conduct, do report to us. And feel free to contact us at any time so that we can help you through the entire event. So we have posted some sample inspirations for you to look through and go through, and you can start brewing your ideas. So this is the overview tab, and the ideas in process tab is where you will submit the ideas and you will get the result here. So everyone can view it. So how to submit your ideas? You'll have a submit your idea button here. If you click it, you'll get a form. So this is the form. So it is not necessary that only when you are submitting, you're about to submit, you have to find this form, because this form will be saved as draft in your portal. So you can start with a very simple idea, save it as a draft, and you can improvise it. Before submission, you can finalize and submit. So here you will give the title of the project which you are going to work. And picture is like, it can be anything, a handwritten drawing or a flow chart or sample screenshots, anything can be uploaded in the image category related to your project. So the idea owner is you and your teammates. You can add your teammate here. So if you click add contributor, you'll get a community that all the participants who have registered here will appear here. You can go through the list and find your teammate, and you can add them here. So your members of the team will be added here. This is a brief introduction about your idea. So idea pitch is something where you show your idea in a gist view, and description is a brief detailed view. And what are you looking to achieve in this hackathon is like, here you can add any text, like for what you entered this hackathon, or you can embed video which acted as how you came to know about this event, or how it forced, or how it triggered you to enter into this hackathon. You can embed a video here. Attachments may be base papers or research papers in hackathon where you got the idea from, and inspirations act as the page which will be displayed in the home as you saw earlier. So inspirations is something that you can add from where you have got this idea, and inspirations will be public. So even your fellow candidates or participants will look into it and get inspirations. So add tags is nothing but keyword section. So what are all the key, for example, machine learning or quantum safe cryptography are some of the keywords which are related to our theme. So if you don't have any team members, if you have not formed any team members, then you can change this to yes, so that others will be able to see your idea, and if they are interested, they'll mail you, they'll contact you and join you. So you can save this as draft and you can submit the final copy.
Your submission ends on October 19th, 6 p.m. That is, idea submission ends on October 19th, and the project completion submit ends on October 21st at 6 p.m. again.
So this is an overall look about Hype. So LinkedIn and Twitter, Facebook handles links are posted here. So other than this, you can contact us anytime using the mail ID given here, or you can also reply or post to the mail IDs posted in Discord also.
And you can also use Discord for forming team members. That will also be helpful for you.
So that's the overlook of Hype. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nandana. So now we hope that you all have an idea of what is going to be the handling in the next week. So if you still have any queries or doubts, please feel free to contact the mail ID posted in Hype or Discord, or the general discussion, the general support channel in Discord. And a reminder that if you have still not joined Hype or Discord, please do at the earliest. If your friends haven't joined, please ask them also to join the event and have fun while learning by doing. The registrations will be accepted till October 19, 2021 till 5 p.m. So see you soon.